Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Lab at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I know I haven't done this in probably a couple of weeks now because of my allergies, and I just, it's a terrible spring allergy season for me. So I would like to say first, sorry about my voice. I know, it's not the prettiest, it's husky, it's froggy. And to top it off, my voice has really always been kind of husky, but it's worse when I have my allergies and also if after an asthma attack. So let's get on to my haul. So everybody's holding this ampersand signs, the @ signs, and a lot of other great things. And I went to this Dollar Tree nearby in another town nearby, and I found a lot of those items, but I didn't get too carried away. I only purchased one, which is the ampersand in white. It comes also in gold and in silver. Oh wait, I think I've seen only gold. I didn't see the silver, but yeah, I purchased white. So I purchased this organizer, and there are different other styles, but this is the only one that I've seen there. And as you can see from the picture, it is a makeup organizer. You can use it for other things as long as it fits here, but I'll be using it for makeup. Speaking of makeup again, I purchased these 3 brushes, and this one is the eyeshadow brush, smoky liner brush, and then the contour brush. So I think on my previous haul I also hauled some of the other style brushes, and I will be including them once I organize our beauty makeup room. I have seen this is bonus. It used to be 2 for $1 and now it's 3 for $1, and I like the fact that it comes in white. So I'm gonna try to see if the idea that I have for this one will work out. Please click on my Dollar Tree organization DIY, and I'll be linking it up here, and you will see a lot of my organizers that I made out of Dollar Tree materials. This jewelry hanger came in white as well as black, and I only purchased one, the white. So I'm gonna see what I can do here. Part of me is saying that I should have bought more than one and probably connect them together, but like I said, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna work this out for an organizer. Somebody requested here to create an organizer for bracelets and necklaces, so I am going to try to do that. Let me see if I can use this also. I got this from the kitchen aisle. This comes in 2 in a pack, and I have a DIY for this one, and hopefully it works out, and I'm gonna give it a try. I cannot reveal to you what that is yet. It's the aluminum, what do you call this? This is for barbecuing vegetables, I think. Yeah, you can use this as a liner and to put on top of your barbecue grill, but I won't use it for barbecuing. I purchased 3 of this in silver finish. I like this organizer. I don't need to spray paint it, and I wish it came in white though, because if I'm going to be using it here in my craft room and home office, I prefer white, but silver will do just fine as well. And I am going to do a dupe on this, inspired by the items that I've seen at Home Goods and Marshalls, and they cost like $19.99 if you buy them. So to make them, I'm hoping to just complete the project with just $5 or less than $7 total. Some more for my DIY. There's 4 glitter tiaras. They come in a set of 4. There's one there that says happy birthday, and I know this also appears during the New Year season or 4th of July, and they use this as a crown, but I am going to try to use this also for my next DIY. So this is back the LED flashing bracelet. I know sometimes this is seasonal. I did a DIY for the Forever or Enchanted Rose for the Beauty and the Beast, and I use this at the bottom, and it illuminates it, and it makes for a dramatic finish. So this is 8 in a pack, storage containers. Also, I purchased the foam sheets, 32 pieces in here. I think this is kind of like 4x6. Yeah, it's 4x6, and it's multicolored, and it comes in the primary colors, as you can see here. Okay. Also, the bigger ones, but this is textured unlike the other one that I showed you, and 7.75 inches by 6 inches. And this comes in assortment of colors, more pastel in this one, and they're textured, like I said. So I'm gonna try to make something out of this. Glitter glue. I have some glitter glue also, but I've never purchased them in this form. These are 10 pieces in a pack, and I'm gonna try and experiment something on this channel, and I hope it'll work out, and I'll be using the glitter glue. Next item here, it comes in 6 pieces, the art palette, and to get this for $1 for 6 pieces is amazing, and I will be using this for my crafting. Got this poster paint also from the Dollar Tree. I didn't notice that the green one was leaking, but yeah, I could use this for my crafting and DIYs. So you know, so a tip for you there: instead of going somewhere to buy all those acrylic paints, you can also use poster paint for some of your DIYs. And you know, the wood takes this well, and for $1, that is a real great buy. And I know I've hauled this, the popsicle sticks, wooden popsicle sticks before, or craft sticks actually, but yeah, these are the jumbo ones, and I'm going to be using this for some of my DIYs. And I need this actually to put it on the lip of one of my organizers so that I can stack them up better. So it's kind of like a hack that I'm going to do so that it'll be more stable, and it will stay, what I put on top will stay put. And I will show it to you once I unveil my craft room. I know I talk a lot about my craft room unveiling, and so far it hasn't materialized yet because I have been sick. I purchased the 3 in a pack. There are 50 sheets in here, and these are the mini composition books. For those of you who are following me on my channel, you know that I make my own traveler's notebook and also traveler's notebook covers and inserts. But if I can buy something inexpensively, this can be inserts. I'll just upgrade the cover, and then I'll make a traveler's notebook kind of cover for it, and then I can just use this as inserts. So in this size, I don't have anything in this size yet. I think this is what you call the micro size traveler. Okay, I got some beauty items here. I got this new Dove beauty cream. It is 2.53 fluid ounces or 75 ml, and I actually opened this up with my daughter already to smell it, and it smells so good. You know, I don't know if it's cheaper somewhere else, if you can get it cheaper at Walmart, because sometimes there are items cheaper at Walmart than the Dollar Tree. But since I was already there, I just decided to get this as well as this. This is the beauty cream, and this is the intensive cream. Let me know in the comment down below what the difference is. This is Nourishing Care, this is beauty cream. So if I am thinking correctly, this can be used under your makeup, and this one probably the overnight one, like a cold cream that they use. Also, there are some, I purchased this. I don't know if you've seen this before. I know this is kind of basic. It's an ear swab, but this one is called Safety Swabs. You know, this has the smaller portion here and then the fatter portion here. My husband's been complaining whenever I buy our cotton swabs from the Dollar Tree that they're too thin, and then, you know, he doubles them up when he uses them. So hopefully this will make him happy. I purchased this again, this precision screwdriver set. We often need this, so I'm thinking maybe one in each car. We will put one. So I have purchased 3 before, so I think I need another one for the other car because I'm leaving one at home. And then also, because of my allergies, this disposable filter mask. And my advice for you there as well, use this when you're spray painting, because those spray paints can have some vapors that are unhealthy. That's why you don't see me really do a lot of spray painting here, because, you know, I'm asthmatic. This is not in any way to kind of criticize the other YouTubers that are doing it. I'm just not doing it or avoiding it, although I do have spray paints and I want to do some projects where I can spray paint. But if I can avoid it, I would. But if ever I'm going to be spray painting, I would need to use this. So just a precaution for you out there. Just use this if you have goggles, use them as well. The Dollar Tree also sells the safety goggles and the swimming goggles. They will work as well if you cannot find the safety goggles. I like that this come in a pack of 10. Again, for my allergies, this is why I purchased this. And when I'm cleaning the house, rather than the cloth one, you know, the rectangular one, this is actually better. It, for me, okay, it filters more. A pack of 16 in here. Hoop and loop fasteners, and they also come in white, and then those long strips in white, and I have them, but I want the square ones in black. And then I purchased another one of this, a set of you know, this mixed nylon cable ties. There are 100 pieces here. The small ones are in black, the medium ones are in red, and then the longer ones are, the bigger ones are in white. This is an audio cable. It's a 3.5 millimeter jack. Hopefully it fits in my phone, and then it can connect to my speaker, my computer speaker, so I can listen to some music as well. So yeah, and if it doesn't work, at least, you know, it's only $1. And then this one as well, this is an earphone with a microphone, so if you are making a phone call, you can also use this and then control the volume here. I think there's an on and off switch here, and it says here compatible with most smartphone. So these are the stickers that I purchased. They came out with a lot of stickers, and this is by Jot, and I think a lot of the words here I will definitely use. And love the unicorn at the back, and the pink watermelon, and the rainbows, the diamond, as well as the, you know, ice cream here, sunglasses. This is really so girly. And hot air balloon. I live in an area where we have a lot of hot air balloons during you know, warmer weather like spring and summer. So yeah, and look at those colorful pineapples. So this is more in the pastel. So this one is a more darker hue than the other one, and this is also planner stickers. And again, the words here would be something that I'll be using, because I have converted to a traveler's notebook from a regular disc-bound planner. I find that my traveler's notebook allows me to really use it in a better format. I create my own inserts. Sometimes I buy some inserts if I find something of a great deal. But yeah, stickers here. I love this owl, colorful. I do have some owls from my hauls before, but not this color. So yeah, and I think there are 96 pieces here. Yep. And of course, I always like this type of stickers, and I use them for making cards. Instead of buying several dies just to make one shape, I just purchase the ones from Dollar Tree and then make them work with my card. And some of you have mentioned you want to see me make my cards, or maybe give you a walkthrough of my finished product. So I'll do that. I'm sorry if I haven't been caught up yet with some things here in my channel, but I definitely would want to show you my other hobbies, which is paper crafting. And this is 7 pieces here. There's Dream, the butterflies, because oh, this chart too. And of course, I'm a bird lover. That's really pretty. Life is beautiful. I just want to show you the whole thing. Okay. And then this one. And I love the watering can and the birdhouse. Oh, and this one, Home Sweet Home. Home is where the heart is. Family is about family and home. I feel like they've had this before, but kind of like different combinations. There are 7 stickers here. Then last, there are 8 stickers here. Together Forever. This is more like love and relationship. And oh my gosh, I love this. I didn't even notice it there. There's the hot air balloon, and then a map. And this is layered, and there's like a small, kind of like, it looks like a clothespin there. Can you imagine that? Purchasing this for $1 instead of getting different die cuts. So just tip for you there. And again, I'll show you when and how I use them. I'll have a purely Dollar Tree materials only paper crafting on my channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with anyone who is interested in Dollar Tree DIYs or shopping at Dollar Tree. And at least if I could, I hope I could have shown you something a little bit different that you can also purchase and maybe make use of, and made your shopping trip a little easier. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please click like, comment down below. I enjoy answering them. Hope to talk to you again in my next video, everyone. Bye bye.